Baddies. Say I'm low-key lazy and want to do my lazy makeup girl look. Still very glam, but it doesn't take as long as my other looks. Westman Atelier sent me a bunch of products to try and I'm so excited. I had to pack my makeup yesterday and my Patrick Ta foundation exploded. What the fuck? It's all over everything. That's like one of the worst feelings ever. Y'all know the drill. Kosas Air Brow. Your gel never lays right. Try wiping them down with micellar water first. The Vital Skincare Concealer. The packaging of this stuff is so luxurious and bougie. Carving out my brows and it seems to be really silky so far. I know I'm already gonna like this. Oh yeah, the coverage is good. I love when I get actually good products in. A matte satin finish, which I'm not really doing eyeshadow today, but I like to prep my concealer first because I blend my contour into my eyes. You'll see. Foundation stick 2. With any stick foundation, I like to make sure my skin's really hydrated so it blends out easy. This is the Merit Great Skin Serum. Obsessed with this. Okay, let's see what the tea is. She's swiping on easily, which is a good sign. She's blending out so easily. I used to not like stick foundations, but the brands have been popping off lately. Medium coverage, which is the goal we're going for today. You just sometimes gotta do this to make sure everything's blended. A little bit more around my jawline area and where I'm breaking out. See, I love this, the magnetic top. Yes. Okay, yeah, this is really nice. I love the natural satin finish of this. Our soft matte concealer. Anywhere else that my pimples are still popping their puss. My phrase of the month, and I really gotta stop. Like contour stick, which I already have and love, so nice to get a re-up. Like a cool tone shade. I haven't used this in a good minute. The one I have is expired, so I hate to influence you with really expensive products, but y'all, it is definitely easier to keep control of cream products rather than liquid. Contouring under my lip, it just gives you like a pouty shadow. This isn't sponsored, by the way. I just got sent it and I'm gonna use it, duh. Nose contour brush to go around my nose and into my crease. Kind of sculpt out my eye, and that's gonna be like my eyeshadow today, and kind of like a cut crease shape. It flatters my eye a lot. Her end of the brush and blend her out. Sculpt out the bottom of my eye. It just makes my eyes pop so much more. Look really sculpted and snatched out. It's natural! The Baby Cheeks cream blush in the shade Mimi. Ooh, I love like mauve-y shades like this. Put this everywhere. I feel like that's how you get the most sun-kissed natural blush. What are they? M242 brushes, and I love them for all cream steps. They remind me a lot of the Mario F4 brush, which I love. I don't want to like kiss their ass, but I really like their products already. So creamy on my regular highlighty places. Props to them for coming up with a unique concealer package because all of them look the same. I kind of shape out my concealer, but with more natural looks like this, it's not really all that necessary. This is like a medium to full coverage. Why would I want a sheer concealer? That is stupid. This powder is gonna pair really nicely with this. This is in the shade Breezy. Oh yeah. Perfect. Setting my T-zone. I want to stay like natural and glowy. Blend out the creases, which for having it on for as long as I have, the creasing is not bad. YSL bronzer to set those areas. The shade 02, and it's so perfect. It's not too orangey. My creams, I like a cool tone, and then my powders, I like a bronzer. I don't know. I feel like it's an undefeated combo. All the eyeshadow I'm doing today, and I feel like it's just perfect. See if she layers over powder well. Yeah, she does. I don't see any lifting anywhere. Eye lip liner in mauve. I don't want a super defined lip, but need something there. Don't really last all that well, to be honest with you. I like them, and they're definitely more of like a natural girl's makeup product. Very blurring. It's called the lip blur. No dir. Poet! This is the I Want You mascara. The packaging, oh my god, it needs a moment. Looks like it's a volumizing mascara, which is my fave. Wiggle my mascara up. I feel like that's the best way to apply it. It's one coat. It reminds me a lot of the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, which though it's a big brush, it's not like clumping at all. Really appreciate how the brush picks up a right amount of product. I think that's why she's not clumping. Brown color on the bottom for a softer look. Don't look for my bottom because of how big it is. I keep hitting the bottom. Better flake off right because that is a huge thing for me. She's working, just gotta be a little patient with her. This Merit highlight stick I have, since we're on the stick theme today. Really natural highlighter. Boom, we are natural glamified. I love everything I tried, not to be kiss ass, but look at the results. Like, I look super smooth and I've oh my god! I barely set my face, so thoroughly impressed. Hair looks extra good today. Thanks for watching. Love you, bitches.